आपने जिस तरह से संस्थाओं का कब्जा हो रहा है उसकी बात नहीं की। जिस तरह से एक पब्लिक, मतलब कि बेचारे जो जज हैं वो तो बोल नहीं सकते ना, वो कैसे जवाब दें? वो जवाब नहीं दे सकते। तो आप ऐसे वक्तव्य दोगे, ऐसा लगेगा कि जुडिशरी को एक सबक सिखाया जा रहा है। ये उचित नहीं है, ये संवैधानिक भी नहीं है। फिर आपने एक और अजीब सी बात की। आपने कहा कि जो 14-15 मार्च को किसी जज के घर पे कुछ हुआ, तो उसके पास हमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट में से ऐसी खबर मिली है, यह आपने कहा, रिलायबल सोर्सेस फ्रॉम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बताया गया। उसका एफआईआर क्यों नहीं हो रहा? अभी आप तय करोगे वो एफआईआर करना। वो भी एक 5 जजेस का फैसला है वीरा स्वामी का कि एफआईआर तभी होगी जब चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया सैंक्शन देगा। तो उस फैसले को नहीं आप मानते? अभी जो फैसले हो चुके हैं उनको मानते नहीं, जो क्योंकि आप सोचते हो कि वो गलत हैं, और जो आप सोचते हो सही हैं क्योंकि सरकार वो ऐसा चाहती है, तो वो सही है। और फिर आपने ये कहा कि उसके खिलाफ एफआईआर होनी चाहिए, और आज तक कोर्ट क्यों नहीं बताती कि क्या नहीं है? तो कोर्ट आपको बताएगी। ये कोर्ट का एक कर्तव्य है कि आपको जाकर चिट्ठी लिख के बताए कि ये हो रहा है। कोर्ट फैसला करेगी और हम कोर्ट के लिए खड़े हुए हैं। कोर्ट को तथ्य तक पहुंचता है कि किसने साजिश की, किसने नहीं की। और आपको अगर कोई खबर है तो बताइए जनता को, और ये भी बताइए कि किसने आपको खबर दी। ना कोर्ट आपके काम में दखलंदाज कर सकता है, ना आप कोर्ट के काम में दखलंदाज कर सकते। These are lines drawn under the Constitution. And you said in your speech also that the court is acting as an executive. This is not right at all. It is when the executive does not do its job that the court is to intervene, and intervene under the provisions of the Constitution, not intervene otherwise. If the governor of a state says, I will not look at your bills, Dhankarji, we moved an impeachment motion. We moved an impeachment motion against a judge of the High Court, and that was moved in December. And there were 55 people who signed that motion. We are now where are we now? We are now in May, April. So December, January, February, March, April, 5 months. It took you 5 months to find out whether those 55 signatures were genuine or not. And how many more months will it take to find out the genuineness of those signatures? And if you don't sign, if you don't authenticate the signature, don't find out the genuineness of the signatures, that means the motion can't be moved, which is a right given under the Constitution to us. So if you do not, with speed, with expedition, decide this matter, then the argument against us is that we can't do anything, and the judiciary can't do anything. Is that acceptable? And if the governor does not decide and doesn't clear the bill for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, that means the judiciary can't do anything. Means if the executive does not act, the judiciary can't do anything. If there is a sewage stuff running through a colony, and there is a direction by the government that isko cover kijiye, and you don't cover it for 2 years, you have to go to the judiciary and get a mandamus, no? If your buses are plying in the city and the pollution levels are so high, then the judiciary has to intervene and stop all this. Don't allow these buses from Noida, from other places to come in. If Diwali crackers are there which are not allowing children to breathe, What else will the judiciary do when you don't do anything? If the executive doesn't do its job, the judiciary must intervene. That's the right of the judiciary. That's the obligation of the judiciary. And they are performing the functions on behalf of the citizens of India. And we are all sitting there in Parliament to do things for the citizens of India. And if you don't do them, the court will give you a mandamus. And if the farm laws are bad, the court will say you cannot implement them. And if sedition is bad as an offense, the court will say stay, no more sedition cases.